This green drink helps you detoxify your body from inside and also helps you get glowing skin. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bubli's World Cuisine. Today, I'll share with you a detoxifying drink recipe that's made with all these natural ingredients, including the sweetener. Now, if you want to know how to make it and how to consume it, keep watching and I'll show you all the details. Let me start preparing all the ingredients and I'll tell you the health benefits of all. Now, this is one organic cucumber, so I'm going to keep the skin. If your cucumber is not organic, just make sure you wash it very well. Now, I'm taking the sides off. Cucumbers are full of water and they keep us hydrated throughout the day, but that's not all cucumbers have. They have unique set of antioxidants including flavonoids, lignans and triterpenes. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and they are full of rich minerals and vitamins. After healthy cucumber, now it's green apple. And I'm taking one big green apple. Again, this is an organic one and it's from my lovely neighbor's apple tree. That is why I'm keeping the skin. And green apples are also rich in antioxidants. They are excellent for improving your gut health. These sour tasting apples are extremely beneficial in detoxifying your liver, which is very important for both weight loss and healthy living. I'm cutting them into chunks. Later on, I'm going to put them on the blender. Make sure you take the core out because that's the hard part of apple and not good for juicing. Moving on to my next ingredient, which is ginger, which has been in use for medicinal purposes for many, many years. Ginger improves immunity and it can cure many problems with your gut. It also has anti-inflammatory properties which helps cleansing and detoxifying your body from inside. Just a little bit goes long. I have taken just this much, but you can obviously take a little bit more. So here's my ginger chopped and now again green. This is mint leaves from my garden and it's organic. And the next ingredient is lemon. Now that all the prepping is done, I'm going to put everything in a blender jug. So cucumbers, green apple, and ginger goes in the blender jug, which I have cut beforehand. With that, I'm also going to add the mint leaves. Now, mint is fresh herb and it helps purifying our body from inside. Our body always needs green and good herbs really helps give us good health. Now, just taking a little bit every day or on a regular basis cleanses your body from inside and helps you get glowing skin. I have put around half a liter of water in the jug to help get all these things get grinded. And now it goes on the blender, everything will blend. If your blender is very strong, it will be very quick. But if yours is like mine, you need to let it on for a few minutes. After few minutes, juice will be all done and the consistency comes like this. Now, it has a lot of fiber in it and it has a lot of pulp. So let's take the pulp out. If you can have it with the pulps, obviously that's the best thing for your body. But most people like their juice or this type of detox drink without the pulp. So I'm doing it that way. So I'm using a strainer to take the pulp out and you try to squeeze it as much as possible so you get most of the nutrients in. Now just squeeze it hard and that way all the water will come out because most of the ingredients are full of water. Now, after squeezing really hard, I got this amount of pulp, which I'm going to throw away now. And we are not done with the detox water. There are a couple of ingredients that we need to add. Adding one whole lemon and using the sieve to take out the seeds. Lemons are full of vitamin C which fight with toxins in your body and helps you detoxify them. Lemons are also rich in potassium, which helps maintain blood pressure, and they are excellent for weight loss. Lemons also have collagen in them, which keeps your skin younger looking. Now I have added the lemon, and now it's time to add honey. So what I have done is I have blended everything in the jug, But lemon and honey, these two things are already liquid, so I haven't put them on the blender. I'm adding them at the end. Honey is a natural sweetener, but it also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial agent. It's full of antioxidants and helps keep our body healthy and fights with a lot of things. One final stir to mix everything together, and now this healthy detoxing drink is all ready. Pouring it in a glass because I want to have it right now. So, this one, you need to take it in empty stomach in the morning, and taking this drink for 2 weeks will get all the toxins out from your body, and it will help your skin glow. Now, this is all ready. It's made with all natural ingredients, including the sweetener that we have used in the drink. It's a very healthy one and it's beneficial to your body. Try it for a couple of weeks and you yourself will see the results. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you liked it, please leave a comment. That will really cheer me up. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. And also, this will be posted on my blog, www.boobliesworldcuisine.com. All the measurements will be given there as well. Bye for now.